burn rate is not bad by itself. You know, companies losing tons of money before they make tons of money. This happened at Facebook. This happened at Google. They never lost tons. That's okay. What I worry about is companies that are losing tons of money and have no plan to ever make lots of money. That's the problem. And so these super low margin businesses that operate as if they were a high margin business, that I think is a real problem, and many people aren't thinking about how these businesses will eventually make money. So if you have the operating culture of a Facebook, but you have the margins of an Amazon, that's a problem.
So what are you telling your startups?
Have a plan to eventually make lots of money. Like, this one thing alone is like a light bulb for some people. They're like, oh yeah, I actually do need to like generate, someday all businesses are valued as a multiple of earnings. Sometimes that takes 20 years, eventually it happens. And so just like talking to our founders about, it's okay to lose a lot of money up front. You can invest in growth as long as the fundamentals of the business support it, but you do have to have a plan someday to make lots of money.